Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I'm going to paint this sunflower paint kit for you guys today. When you order this paint kit, you'll receive the cutout, the paint that I'm using, the brushes, and the Sharpie marker that I'll use later. I'm going in first with the yellow, and I'm going to base coat my leaves. Now I'm going in and adding a little brown to the end of each leaf, and then, or petal is actually what I should be calling them. And then I'm just going to blend that until I'm happy with the way it looks. Then I'm going to go in and add that brown in the center of my sunflower, and then I'm going to go in and add black to the outer edges. Then once I do that, I'm going to wipe the majority of that paint off my brush and begin to blend that. And again, just blend it until you're happy with it, with how it looks. You can always go in like I'm doing here and add more brown if you feel like you might be getting a little too much black. Next, I'm going to go in with this lime color and I'm going to base coat my leaves. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the darker green that's provided, and I'm going to brush that onto the edges of the leaves. And then again, just blend that until I'm happy with how it looks. After I'm done with this step, I will be done base coating, so I just let everything dry completely. And then once it's dry, I'll be able to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker that's provided, and I'll just outline everything. And when I outline, I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. So it's super easy, and this marker gives you such clean lines. And then I'm also going to use this marker to go in and fill in the little dots or seeds that are on the center of the sunflower. And then once I'm done with that, I'll go in with the number 4 round out of your brush pack and some white paint, and I will highlight everything. And then that will complete my project. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.